The future is now, and it's right in our homes. Welcome to the age of smart homes, where convenience meets innovation.
Hey there, Trendify's family. Today, we're diving into the world of home automation. If you've ever dreamt of a home that listens to you, adjusts to your needs, and offers top-notch security, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off with our first gadget. Meet the Nest Learning Thermostat. Not just any thermostat, but one that learns your habits. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, the Nest not only looks good but also helps save on those energy bills. Whether it's a chilly winter night or a scorching summer day, Nest has got you covered. Next up, the Ring Doorbell Pro. Ever wished you could answer your door from anywhere? Now you can. With clear video quality, motion detection, and real-time alerts, security is literally at your fingertips. It's like having a personal security guard, 24/7. Setting the mood has never been easier with the Philips Hue Smart Light Bulb Kit. From romantic dinners to movie nights, create the perfect ambience with just a tap. And the best part? It integrates seamlessly with your favorite voice assistants. Say goodbye to traditional keys with the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Lock or unlock your door remotely, and keep track of who's coming and going. Peace of mind? Check. It's smart, it's secure, and it's a game changer. Bose TV speaker soundbar with Bluetooth connectivity. The Bose TV speaker soundbar is designed to enhance your TV watching experience. With its enhanced dialogue mode, it makes every word easier to understand without having to adjust the volume. It's compact and easy to set up, making it perfect for any room in your home. Why it's trending: enhanced dialogue mode. This feature clarifies the voice of the dialogue, making movies, series, and any show more enjoyable. Bluetooth connectivity. Stream your favorite music or podcasts directly from your phone or any Bluetooth device. Compact design. Its sleek and slim design fits perfectly under your TV or mounted on the wall. Why you might want it: if you're tired of constantly adjusting the TV volume to understand dialogues, or if you're looking for a compact soundbar that delivers clear sound and deep bass, this is for you. Plus, with its Bluetooth feature, it's not just for TV, you can use it as a regular speaker too. Why you might think twice. While it's a great soundbar, it might not replace a full-fledged home theater system. If you're an audiophile looking for cinematic sound, you might want to explore more advanced setups. And there you have it. 5 incredible gadgets to transform your home into a smart haven. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're interested in purchasing any of these products, make sure to check out the links in the description. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more exciting reviews. Thanks for joining us today on Trendify's. Stay smart, stay trendy, and we'll see you in the next one.